Okay, we're going to make this into a dining table. Okay. I'm going to use these two to stiffen it up from the bottom side, and to do that I have 3D printed little cutting guide. So I made this so I can use it on both parts. Not super sure if that's going to work, but let's try. A bit hard to position it correctly, but I got this piece here to act as a support, but also to help me positioning the legs. For the table legs, I will be using some wooden dowels, and to connect them to the table itself and the cross pieces, I'll be using some 3D printed brackets. So the idea is that do something like this, screw it down, and glue and screw the table leg in place. Cool. These 3D printed brackets will also be used as the cutting guide for the dowels. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's cut some dowels. Years ago, I made this table as an ad-hoc replacement table for another table we had, and now finally we can replace it with a new one.